Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. If you make a purchase, I do make a small commission. Looks like today we're doing number 253. If we start with this column here, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. For this box, then, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here. So 8, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 5 up here. So that means our 3 is here. That 9 means this is our 5. And our 9 is here. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so this is our 1. That 2 means this is our 8 and 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this box, looks like we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 3, 5. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 and 2 in this box, so this is our 3. A 1 here, so this is our 2 and 1. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 6. That 9 means our 3 is here, and our 9 is here. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column now, we're missing an 8. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this top row, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 8. A 1 here, so this is our 9 and 1. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so this is our 8, 7. To finish out this box, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box, then, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so this is our 4. That 4 makes this our 8. All right, 8 and 2. That 8 makes this our 4. So for this column, then, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. This 4 makes this our 3, 4. And to finish out this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 there, so 8 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.